Hello and welcome back. Today is Halloween 2017 and since I've got nothing better to do, I thought, well, why not make ourselves a little head-mounted display for Halloween? And I'm not talking about slapping a small 5-inch or 7-inch display in front of our face. I'm talking about this roughly 1 foot in diameter circle with a mount where you can stick your head in, and with 506 LEDs on it. It's controlled with an Arduino, and it can actually, it's got the capabilities to display about 20 images, and you can have, I've got this little tiny hand controller, which is a failed print from something else, and you can use it to control the images. I've been making this over the past 2 days. I've had planned to take a little longer to do this, but unfortunately I've been really sick and I didn't have the time. But with about 2.5 hours to go, it appears that this is working. I don't have any real things to show you yet, but we can turn it on and you can actually see how it's displaying stuff, which is kind of completely cool. But there will have to be some refining, and when I'm done, I'm going to take it outside. Enjoy the video and have a nice Halloween. Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to show a bit of documentation about an ongoing project that I've been working on for some time, and for that we're going to use the good old laser to make a piece of wood that we need. In the end it's going to look something like this. I'm not sure if this is going to work out the way I expect it to, but let's see. I've been doing a lot of cutting on the laser so far, as you can see from all the bits down in the back of there. It's been working really well, and the only thing that I'm kind of worried about is the fan on here, because, well, that doesn't sound too healthy. I've already got everything set up. You can see we're set up to use the edge down there, which is going to be on 0 point, and then we're going to make a big round piece of wood. Let's see where this goes. So everything's set up. I've got my laser safety glasses on, and let's see if this will work. There we go. We need some better ventilation. That should improve things. So this is working with 3mm plywood, and I'm taking, I think it's 6 passes at it at 80% power with a speed of 200 millimeters per minute, and that seems to work really good. So when it's all done, it's going to look somewhat like this. These are 4 pieces, one upper left, lower right, and the 2 other pieces are the other part of that circle, and they're going to make up a big round piece, and we're going to put LEDs onto these and make it a round matrix display, if it works. So that's the plan for now. So this is the finished piece of wood. This is where the LEDs will be placed on. Looks very nice. Pretty happy with the result. It took some time to make him. Each quarter takes about 2 hours to laser, but looks kind of good. Down here, that's the leftover. So next thing will be to put the LEDs on there and to start the wiring. Let's see how that works. Alright, now the back has now been assembled with LED modules. There are 504, I guess, LEDs on here. They're all the WS2812 type, so they're addressable, each and every one of them. And in the next order of business is to wire up all of the strips so they got power, and we need to add a wire from every data out to the next line's data in, so we will have one large array of LEDs over the whole of this round thing. I'm not sure if that's going to work out, but I'm gonna get started now anyway. I had problems sourcing cables because I ran out, and the only ones that I got were either too large or too small, or not really the right type, but we might do somehow, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. I have thought of dividing up the whole display into 4 or 5 power domains, because each LED is capable of sinking about 60 milliwatts, and with 500 of them we'll be at around 150 watts maximum, which sounds like quite a lot, and I'm not quite sure how I can get all of that allocated. We might actually have to, well, just make sure that we don't use that much power. Yeah. As for regulators, I do have 5 12 to 5 volt buck regulators, which can sink about 6 amps each. So if I was to use 5 power domains over the whole display, it might actually work out. So let's see if this works. So I'm gonna get connecting all of these things up, and yeah, let's see where this leads. So, alright, this is the back of the display with all the wires on it. You can see that from every end of an LED strip there's a wire going to the next one. That is kind of simple. You can also see this little printed part here, which is a headrest, because this Halloween I'm going to be wearing this on my head, at least for some time. It's quite comfortable. I haven't done anything more to make it fit better or anything, so I'm probably going to need to have a chin rest here as well. Well, it's kind of cool. It looks looks pretty cool. If we turn it over, can we turn it over? I can already see that it's working. If I get a little power supply and hook that up to the Arduino that I have on here. So I see that nothing's happening, but we need to turn it on first. And I broke a power lead. We can fix that by hand. Yeah, I need to fix that. So as you can see, the display's already working and doing things. So, kind of funny things going on there. But it still has some improvement to go. But it's running off one battery, so I guess I'll be good. Yeah. So that's about it for this project. It looks kind of cool. I'm really happy with it. And let's see if we can get some fun out of this. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.